Hey there, I am so happy you're here. Today, I'm going to show you what is hands down the simplest and most stress-free way to get started on Binance. First things first, let's get you signed up. By using that specific link, you're unlocking a 50% fee payback and securing a $600 rewards bonus all at once. Once you're on the Binance sign-up page, you'll see the option to create your account using either your email address or your mobile phone number. Go ahead and enter the email you'd like to use for your trading. Give those terms and conditions a quick look and just check that agreement box. Once that's done, hit that big continue button at the bottom. In just a few seconds, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to the email or phone you provided. Go ahead and open that up, grab the code, and type it right in. Hit that big continue button. Now it's time to keep your account safe with a strong password. Remember, for the best security, your password needs to be at least 8 characters long and include at least one number and one uppercase letter. And just like that, your account creation is officially complete. If you see a screen asking for an invite or code, just ensure our code is entered there to lock in those rewards, and you're all set. Moving right along, let's handle your KYC identity verification. Now, I know identity verification sounds a bit formal, but it's a vital step because you actually need to finish this before you can deposit funds, withdraw your earnings, or start trading. Since this part involves a quick facial scan, we're going to switch over to your mobile phone to make everything feel much smoother. Go ahead and install the Binance app from your app store and open it up. Log in using the credentials we just created, and the app should guide you straight to the verification screen. Start by confirming your nationality. Next, you'll just need to choose which form of ID you want to use. You can use a national ID card, a driver's license, or a passport, whichever is easiest for you. They usually process these in about 5 minutes, so it's super quick. Select Take Pictures as your method and hit Continue. You'll want to take a nice, clear photo of both the front and the back of your ID. Just make sure the text is easy to read and it fits nicely inside the camera frame on your screen. After that, it's time for that quick facial scan. Just fit your face into the oval frame and follow the little prompts. Once the scan is successful, you'll just need to confirm a few details like your full name, your birthday, and your current address. Hit Continue, then select your current occupation. Hit Continue and your industry, and click Continue one last time. The review usually takes about 5 minutes, and you can easily check your verified status by looking at your profile screen. You're doing great. Finally, let's add one more layer of protection with two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Think of this as a digital padlock for your account. For this part, let's head back to your PC screen. Look at the menu on the left under Account and click on Security. You'll see an option for Authenticator app. Go ahead and click Manage right next to it. When you click Enable Authenticator app, Binance will send a quick verification code to your email or phone just to make sure it's really you. Enter that code and a QR code window will pop up on your monitor. Just leave that window open for a second while we grab our phones again. Download the Google Authenticator app from your app store. Once it's installed, open it up and tap Get Started. I recommend clicking Use Without Signing In for a little extra privacy. From there, hit the Add a Code button in the center and select Scan a QR code. Simply point your phone camera at the QR code on your PC screen. Immediately, a 6-digit code for Binance will start appearing in the app. Go back to your computer, click Next, and enter those 6 digits from your phone into the Binance field. Then hit Submit. And just like that, your Google security is fully activated. Now you're ready to trade. We're going to utilize P2P, peer-to-peer trading. Think of this as a direct digital exchange where you source assets from other traders. Navigate to the wallet icon in the top right and hit Spot. From that menu, click Deposit and select P2P trading. Take a quick second to scan the transaction flow, then just hit Got it. Ensure the Buy tab is active at the top. You'll see a variety of assets, but we're focusing on USDT. The reason? USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the USD. It's the smartest way to park your value while you scan for entries rather than exposing yourself to the volatility of Bitcoin immediately. Go ahead and select the coin. Input the exact amount of local currency you're looking to deploy and choose your payment method, like a standard bank transfer. A list of currently available sellers will be displayed. Now let's filter through the sellers. Precision matters here. Don't just hunt for the lowest price. Look at the total orders filled and the completion rate. You're looking for high volume, high reliability accounts. Once you've found a top tier seller, click Buy USDT. Review their terms. Experienced sellers often have specific requirements for the transfer. Enter your capital amount, confirm it, and hit Buy USDT again. The bank details will be displayed now. Also, keep an eye on the chat window for any immediate messages from the seller. Switch over to your banking app, execute the transfer, and once the funds are gone, come back here and hit Transfer Notify Seller. I recommend uploading a screenshot of your confirmation in the chat to expedite the release. Upload those images as proof of payment, tick the agreement box, and hit Confirm. Once the seller verifies the incoming wire, they'll release the USDT and it will land straight in your spot wallet. Now, if you're ready to scale up into futures trading, there's one essential internal maneuver. Your capital is currently in your spot wallet, which is built for standard accumulation. We need to migrate those funds to the futures wallet. Head back to the dashboard, click the wallet icon, and jump into spot. Locate the transfer button. In the pop-up, we're shifting your assets. Set spot as the source or from section and USDS-M futures as the destination or to section. Verify the asset is USDT, enter the amount you're ready to trade, and click confirm. It's an instant zero-fee internal move, basically just reallocating capital within your own ecosystem. Now you're playing in the big leagues. Hover over futures in the main navigation screen and select USDS-M futures. This pulls up the pro-level trading dashboard. Ignore the noise on the charts for a second. We're keeping this streamlined. In the top left, you can click the ticker name to search for the specific coin you're looking to trade. On the right side, let's dial in your settings. First is margin mode. You'll see cross and isolated. Cross uses your entire futures balance to back a position, while isolated locks the risk to the specific amount you put into that one trade. If you value your capital, stick with isolated while you're starting out. For beginners, I recommend the relatively safer isolated mode. Next up is leverage. This is your multiplier. You can crank this up to 150 times, but that's high risk territory. I strongly advise staying within the 3 times to 5 times range while you're building your strategy. It gives you the necessary breathing room for market fluctuations. Finally, let's execute a trade. You have 2 primary order types. A limit order allows you to set a target price. Basically, I'm only entering if the market hits this level. A market order gets you into the action instantly at the current price. Just below that, verify your available margin. Input your quantity and then pick your direction. If you expect the price to rise, click long, and if you expect it to fall, click short to open a position. Once the trade is active, track it in the Positions tab at the bottom. Your entry price is your baseline. The mark price is the live market value, and critically, keep an eye on your liquidation price. If the market hits that level, the exchange closes your position to mitigate risk. Next, watch your P&L. That's your real-time performance indicator. To manage your risk, hit the pencil icon under TP/SL. This is where you set your take profit and stop loss targets. When it's time to exit the position entirely, just click Market under the Close All section, and your capital flows right back into your futures wallet. And that's the play. If this breakdown leveled up your understanding, make sure to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.